Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nitish Kumar. I have over 1 year of experience with this generative AI and agentic AI framework. Okay, so in my previous class, we briefly discussed about multimodal input, right? And then we briefly discussed about conditional task. Okay, in my previous class, we briefly discussed about conditional task. Okay, so in today's class, which we are going to learn about kickoff crew asynchronously. Okay, this concept is important, everyone, right? Okay, in multiple use cases, right? Okay, in many scenarios, which we are going to use this kind of a techniques for asynchronous execution. It means concurrent execution. Okay, we are going to execute this kickoff crew asynchronously. Okay, in my previous class, in one of my video, I briefly discussed about kickoff for each. Okay, kickoff for each, and then CrewAI Python async, and then in task level execution, right? Okay, task level async execution. Okay, if you haven't watched that particular video, I highly suggest you to watch that particular video, right? Because it is related to this one. Okay, it is completely related to the previous videos, right? Okay, if you don't know how to execute the asynchronous concurrently, how to create the create task, multiple tasks, so it would have been complex to understand this code, right? So that's why I highly suggest you to watch my previous video. Okay, first watch that Python async. Okay, I separately created the asynchronous Python CrewAI, right? Okay, and then CrewAI task level async execution, right? Okay, task. Okay, in that particular video, how you can able to integrate the async execution in task level, right? Okay, and then kickoff for each. Okay, in this particular video, you first watch that, then only you can watch this, because that is the continuation of, this is the continuation of previous one, that 3 videos, right? Okay, that's why I'm asking you to watch the video first, then only come to this video. Okay, if you watch that particular video, right, this Python async, kickoff for each, right, then crew task level async execution, right? Okay, so if you watch the 3 videos, then you come here, then you will be completely understand this particular video, right? Okay, because this is the continuation of previous one only. Okay, that's why I'm suggesting you to watch that video first. Watch the videos first, then come to this video. Okay, so with that, everyone, let's start it, right? If you see here, kickoff crew asynchronous. Okay, so guys, in my previous videos, right, how you can able to integrate task level async execution, then kickoff for each way, that means batches of data, how you can able to execute, right? Okay, so here which we are going to learn about, crew level asynchronous, guys. In my previous video, how you can able to execute task level async execution. Today in this class, which we are going to learn about, crew level execution. So while kickoffing the crew, we can able to execute in a asynchronous manner, guys. That's the core idea, everyone, right? If you see here, this is the documentation page. Here if you see, here kickoff crew asynchronous. Here if you see, guys, kickoff crew asynchronously, right? If you see here, kickoff crew asynchronous, allowing you to start the crew execution in a non-blocking manner. Concurrently, you can able to execute multiple functions, concurrently. Crew execution in a non-blocking manner. This feature is particularly useful when you want to run multiple crews concurrently. Just I discuss this point, right? When you want to run multiple crews concurrently, when you need to perform other tasks while the crew executing, right? So CrewAI, right? A kickoff, this is 2 types, everyone, right? Method, these are 2 types you can able to execute this asynchronous, right? If you see a kickoff native sync, this is the Python native. In Python, we normally use await, async await dot gather. So if you are unaware about what I'm talking to you, right, in that case, highly suggest you to watch that Python async video, guys. If you are if you are feel difficult to understand my points, right? So I highly suggest you to watch my Python async. in that particular video I covered about async, await, okay, dot create, task, okay, dot gather, okay, how can able to use all these methods inside the function, okay. So I highly suggest you to watch that particular video, right? Okay, here, okay, this akickoff, okay, it's a true native async function, okay, it's a Python basic, right? Okay, here in Python, okay, we normally use async to provide asynchronous, okay, capability for the particular function, await to wait for the to pass the execution. When it finish, okay, it will resume the process, okay. That's the working functionality of await, right, through the entire execution chain, okay. This, and then next one is kickoff async, right? Okay, thread based guys, okay, wraps synchronous execution in async dot to thread, okay. So in Python, okay, we studied about this process, okay. Okay, for every process, okay, in there will be one thread, okay, in thread, okay, in every process there will be one thread will be assigned, okay. So the thread will be responsible for executing that particular task, okay. For one process, okay, there will be thread, okay, this thread is responsible for executing the task, okay. Similarly guys, okay, so this kickoff async will take more time guys, okay, for every crew level execution, okay. If you use thread based execution, right, okay, it takes more amount of time, okay. So in this particular video, okay, we moreoverly focus in this topic only guys, okay. A kickoff, okay, if you see native async, okay, this async of and a kickoff for each, okay. This is important for, okay, while creating an application, right, okay, while you want to execute the crew kickoff in a asynchronous way, okay. In that case, okay, this akickoff, okay, akickoff for each, okay, it will help you a lot to execute the function concurrently guys, okay. So in this particular video which we are going to only discuss about this akickoff native async execution guys, okay. So in your case, okay, if you want to learn everything, okay, just come to this documentation page, right, okay. You can directly go through this documentation page, you can able to get it, right, okay. If you see guys, okay, in native async execution with kickoff, right, if you see the kickoff method provides a true native async execution using async and await, okay. That means what they are saying, okay, it follows, okay, this akickoff follows true, okay, native async execution in Python, okay. We studied about async await, right. Similar thing is, okay, in similar way it will be executed here, right, okay. The entire execution chain including task execution, okay. Okay, we will be seeing in my notes, okay. I separately created a note for you, okay. This is the code guys, okay. If you see, okay, multiple native async execution, okay. If you see, okay, async.gather, okay, in my Python async, okay, I briefly discussed about this async.io, right, okay. This async.io, async.io.gather, it will help us to run the coroutines concurrently, right, okay. If you see, okay, and then native async, right, a kickoff for each, okay. So async a kickoff for each, it will help us to process, okay, multiple inputs concurrently, right, okay, multiple inputs, okay, list of inputs, right, if you see, okay, list of inputs, right, okay. In one of my video, okay, kickoff for each, right, okay, it will be executed sequentially one after another, okay, it will be executed sequentially one after another, okay, in that particular video, right, one of my video, right, okay, kickoff for each, right, okay. I particularly created a video for that particular topic, right, kickoff for each, okay. If you see in the topic, right, okay, if you haven't watched the video, I highly suggest you to watch that video, okay. If you watch that video, I will be explain this concept briefly, right, okay. If you see, okay, kickoff for each, what it does, okay, it will be executed sequentially one after another. First this will execute, then it will execute, then it will execute, okay. Here a kickoff for each means, okay, it will be executed concurrently guys, okay, at a time, same time, okay, concurrently it will get started to execute, right, okay, concurrently it will get started to execute, right. First it will, next it will not like ways, okay, it will be executed concurrently, okay, concurrently at the same time, okay, at the same time this 3 will start to execute, right, okay, and then it will give the results in list, right, okay, and then it will be given, right, okay. So in this two function guys, okay, if you see a kickoff for each, okay, this one, and then if you see a kickoff, right, okay, a kickoff, okay, in this two function in kickoff crew asynchronously, right, okay, which we are going to learn in my in this particular video, right, okay. Here if you see guys, okay, I created specifically notes for all of you, right, okay. If you see crew async sample code, right, okay, async kickoff, I think this one, okay guys, this exactly this one, right, okay. guys, I highly suggest you to download the notes. Okay, here I'm referring the documentation page, and then I'm asking the ChatGPT to create the notes. Okay, so okay, I refer both. Okay, first I give more priority to documentation page. Okay, in future they are updating anything, right? Okay, it will be only available in documentation page only. Okay, so highly suggest you to go through the documentation, right? Okay, whatever the thing I am teaching to you, right? Okay, whatever the thing I am teaching to you. Okay, once you go through this video, then you have, whenever you have a free time, okay, just go through this documentation page. Okay, following the documentation page is a good practice, guys. Okay, so if you want to master any framework, right? Okay, don't go directly to ask the ChatGPT to explain this CrewAI framework, right? Okay, because okay, some of the LLM models have some specific cutoff rate. Okay, if you ask the questions, okay, it will be only able to give some previous versions. Okay, so previous version also. Okay, in CrewAI, if you see, okay, the current version, okay, the current version, if you see v1.10.0, okay, in previous versions, okay, that some of this functionality have deprecated, right? Okay, some of the functionality have deprecated in previous versions. Okay, so ChatGPT can able to give the deprecated functions. Okay, if you want to update with this CrewAI framework, okay, then there is only way is you can follow the documentation page regularly. Okay, whether they are updating anything, right? Okay, you need to follow this documentation page, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, so let's start it, guys. Okay, that's it, right? Here if you see, guys, okay, in this particular video, right, in this particular video which we are going to discuss about this akickoff, right? Okay, and then if you see akickoff, just a minute, guys. Okay, akickoff for each. Okay, this is very important, guys. Okay, async thread, okay, that thread, okay, if you see in this function, guys, okay, it is not recommended. Okay, even okay, we are not frequently using this technique, right? Okay, thread based async, okay, because it takes more amount of time, guys. Okay, if it is possible, okay, I can cover it my tomorrow video, right? Okay, okay, you should know. Okay, if it is possible, okay, I will be covering in tomorrow class, right? Okay, I don't feel it is useful to create applications, right? Okay, so it takes too much of time, guys. Okay, if you compare the time with this async versus this thread based, okay, this concurrent, okay, this async will be way better, right? Okay, that's why, guys. Okay, I covered this one just, okay. So okay, if you see, okay, the first one, guys, akickoff, right? Okay, one input one execution, guys. Okay, if you see, one input one execution, right? Okay, if you see, you call it once, right? Okay, with one set of inputs, right? Okay, in normally, guys. Okay, in CrewKickoff, right? Okay, CrewKickoff means, okay, CrewKickoff, okay, this is the normal way to execute the kickoff, right, in CrewAI, right? Okay, in my previous videos, okay, in a lot of videos I briefly discussed about in kickoffing, right? If you are defining any variable template inside the task description, okay, you need to give the variable, that particular variable template as a key in kickoff, okay, in a dictionary, and user question as a key, user question as a value in this inputs, right? Okay, this is a good way, guys. Okay, so this is normal, guys. Okay, if you want to, okay, integrate this akickoff, right? Okay, just you need to give, okay, dot akickoff, right? Okay, await, right? Okay, await crew dot akickoff, guys. Okay, this means inputs, okay, it will be started to execute, okay, asynchronously. Okay, one crew, one run, one result, guys. Okay, if you want to process, okay, if you want to process batch processing, okay, if you want to perform batch processing, okay, in that case, okay, if you use this akickoff for each, this technique, guys. Okay, akickoff for each, okay, multiple inputs, multiple execution. Okay, that means, okay, what I'm coming to say, okay, if you see, okay, if your question contains list of questions, right? Okay, list of questions. Okay, so there will be thousands of questions or 500 of questions, 500 batches, right? Okay, inside a list, okay, 500 items, okay, inside a list, okay, key value per, okay, in that case, okay, we need to use this akickoff for each, guys. Okay, in my previous video we briefly discussed about the kickoff for each. Okay, here the only difference is here if you see in a prefix, okay, they are adding a, right? in front of kickoff for each. Okay, they are adding a, right? Okay, this is the thing, guys. Okay, you need to understand, right? Okay, this means, okay, multiple inputs, multiple execution. Okay, list of questions, right? Okay, if you want to perform batch processing, okay, in that case a kickoff for each is a good way, guys. Okay, good way to execute, right? Okay, you give it a list of inputs, right? If you see, okay, you give it as a list of input, right? Okay, it runs in the same crew for each input set. Okay, it will only execute the same crew, guys. Okay, but it will be executing asynchronously, okay, not synchronously. If you use kickoff for each, right? If you use kickoff for each, right? Okay, in that case it will be executed sequentially, one after another. Okay, it will be started to execute first, okay, then it will execute, then it will execute. Okay, if you use a kickoff for each, okay, previously I said about this a kickoff for each, right? Kickoff for each, okay, it will executed sequentially, one after another. But a kickoff for each, what it does, okay, it will be executed concurrently, not one by one, guys. Okay, concurrently at the same time, right? Okay, it will be started to execute, okay, not sequentially, concurrently, guys. Okay, you need to understand, okay, you need to remember, okay. Okay, if you know these things, okay, it will be helpful to create a robust application in CrewAI multi-agent orchestration. Okay, that's why I am shouting here, right? Okay, if you see, if you use a kickoff for each, okay, in that case, okay, it will be started to execute concurrently, guys. Okay, that's understanding, guys. If you see, results is equal to await crew dot a kickoff for each data sets, right? Okay, same crew, 3 runs, 3 results, guys. Okay, and then, guys, okay, if you see, okay, key difference metal matter, right? If you see, okay, a kickoff, one crew, one job, one result, guys. Okay, like sending one WhatsApp message. Okay, a kickoff for each, okay, one crew, many jobs, many result, guys. Okay, at the same time, right? Okay, concurrently, okay, only one crew, right? Okay, it can able to process concurrently, okay, and then many results, guys. Okay, like sending bulk WhatsApp messages to a list of people, right? Okay, all sent simultaneously, one by one, right? Okay, and then if you see, when to use what, okay, you need to understand this, guys. Okay, when to use, when not to use, right? Okay, if you know this thing, okay, you can able to create some robust application. Okay, if you see, okay, user asks one question, give one answer. Okay, generate blog post for one topic, analyze one data set. Okay, in that case you use, okay, a kickoff, right? Okay, if you want to perform batch processing, okay, if you want to perform batch processing, okay, in that case, okay, a kickoff for each, right? You have list of items to process. Okay, generate blog post for 100 topics at once, right? Okay, analyze 50 customer reviews simultaneously, right? Okay, concurrently. Okay, send personalized emails to 1000 users, right? Okay, in that case, okay, which we are going to use, okay, if you see, guys, okay, without a kickoff, right? Okay, if there is no a kickoff for each, right? Okay, we need to use, okay, topic AML, topic DL. Okay, we need to manually give, guys. Okay, without a kickoff for each, manual and verbose, right? Okay, results is equal to await async.gather. Okay, we need to manually give these things, guys. Okay, okay, inputs is equal to topic A. Okay, inputs is equal to topic ML, topic is equal to EL. Okay, if using a kickoff for each, okay, just put into the list. Okay, just put into the list in a dictionary format. Okay, it will be automatically processed, guys. Okay, concurrently it will be automatically processed, guys. Okay, using the event loop. Okay, okay, in my previous videos, guys, okay, Python async, okay, I briefly discussed about this event loop. Okay, everything, guys. Okay, just watch the video, come here. Okay, you can able to get it everything, guys. Okay, I swear to you, okay, you can able to get it everything, guys. Okay, here, okay, if you are using a kickoff, okay, you manually give inputs inside the a kickoff, right? Okay, in a crew level, right? Okay, if you use a kickoff for each, okay, it will be clean, guys. Okay, just you need to create list. Okay, inside the list, okay, just put the question. Okay, this a kickoff for each, okay, it will take care of everything. Okay, it will concurrently, okay, able to execute all these questions, right? Okay, and it will give the result in a list, right? Okay, we just able to print this thing. Okay, just that's it, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay, I hope you get it, guys. Okay, I hope you get it, right? Okay, just jump into the code, guys. Okay, just, guys, you need to understand that one thing. Okay, a kickoff, okay, it will help us to execute this execution in a asynchronous, but okay, we are giving topic one by one, right? Okay, topic, okay, similarly, okay, this is one, a trends, okay, okay, finance trends, okay, this way, okay, we are manually giving, right? Okay, so this is a kickoff. Okay, in a kickoff for each, okay, you need to create list of questions, right? Okay, topic is equal to in a dictionary, okay, list of dictionary, okay, in a dictionary, okay, if here if you see, okay, topic question, okay, this is variable template, okay, in my task description this is variable template. Here I am giving as a key, right, okay, this is my user question, guys, okay. If you are watching my previous videos regularly, okay, then okay, you are able to get it in 100%, right, okay. I am pretty sure with the thing, okay, if you are watching my videos regularly, okay, the thing, whatever the thing I am conveying to you, right, okay, you will be getting everything, right, okay. That's it, guys, okay. Just jump into the code, guys, okay. If you see, guys, okay, so it is CrewAI, okay, it's a previous video, guys, okay, it's a previous class, okay. There is separate created one file, okay, crew inbuilt async, okay, this is the thing, guys, okay. This is project, guys, okay, it's a big code, okay. It's created some sample code, okay. This one, this, okay, this one, as I said, exactly this one, right, okay. Okay, I'm saving the file, guys, okay. Here, guys, okay, you need to understand the one thing, right, okay, guys, okay, asynchronous, okay, we can't able to execute in .iponb file, guys, okay. You need to understand this thing, guys, okay. In Crew, okay, if you are integrating, okay, if you are using asynchronous in your functions, right, okay, in that case, okay, you can't able to use .iponb file, guys, okay, because event loop, it is not working in .iponb file, okay. You will be getting some error, right, okay. Just try to use .py file, guys, okay. That's why I'm opening my terminal, right, okay. I'm opening my terminal, okay. I'm directly executing, right. If you see, okay, here I'm giving hyphen name hyphen, okay, equal to hyphen main hyphen guys, okay. That's it, guys, okay. I'm saving the function, right, okay. Here just a simple code, guys, okay. Okay, if you see my for loading all the data environmental, okay, .env files, okay, just 1 minute, guys, okay. There will be missing my .env file, guys, okay. Just a minute, guys, okay. I am taking my .env file, guys, okay. Then everything will be perfect, guys. Just a minute, guys, okay. There is no .env file in my working workspace, right, okay. That's why I am taking this .env file in my workspace, right, okay. Then only it can able to execute. Otherwise, it will throw an unnecessary error, right, okay. Okay. Here I am saving, guys, okay. If you see, okay, .env file, it will be in my current workspace, right, okay. That's why, guys. Here if you see, guys, okay, here this library help us to load the .env file, okay. The environmental variable that is present inside the .env file, okay, it will be helpful to load inside our current file, right, okay. And this is my normal library, guys, okay. If you see, okay, LLM initialization, if you see, guys, okay, here I am asking the agent to create the blog, right, okay. Just a minute, guys. The prompt is, okay, right now you can clearly able to see the prompts, right, okay. If you see, guys, okay, I'm asking the agent to create a blog, right, okay. Here I am giving some max tokens, right, okay. Here I am only creating one agent, guys, okay. Here I am defining two tasks, okay. If you see, okay, write a short blog post about this topic, okay. Writer agent, okay. This is an agent name, okay. Exactly. Here I am stick with token, guys, okay. Otherwise I am unnecessarily facing some rate limiter, okay. That's why I am giving some token limit, right, okay. If you see in agents also I am giving max tokens is equal to 200, okay. In my task level also I am giving, okay, blog post contains exactly 200, okay. If you see, okay, in similarly, okay, blog post, okay, that's it, guys, okay. If you see, guys, okay, I am creating two crew, guys, okay. Crew, I am organizing two crew, right, okay. If you see verbose equal to true, that's it, guys, okay. Similarly, okay, I am copying this thing, I am giving here, guys, okay. For seeing the logs, guys, okay, nothing. And if you see, guys, okay, this is my first crew, right. Writer agent, tech task, right, okay. Tech task, okay. Health task, okay. Here if you see another crew, right, okay. Health task, okay. Here if you see writer agent, health task, okay, verbose, okay. Here if you see, guys, okay, Here I'm defining async, okay, this function, okay, in front of this def main, okay, I'm giving async, okay. Here if you see guys, await async io dot gather, right, okay. This async dot io dot gather, okay, async io dot gather will help us to run this file concurrently, guys, okay. Run this crew, okay, in my crew level, okay. If you see concurrently, okay, concurrently for running concurrently, right, okay, for running concurrently, guys, okay. Async dot gather will help us to run all this crew, okay, all this crew level, okay, concurrently, okay. And then this await will help us to, okay, wait for entire result, okay, wait for entire result. Once the result, all this to crew, right, okay, to crew executed successfully, then only it can able to give the result, guys. Until it can able to pass the execution, it will wait, okay, until this to execution get completed, okay. Once this to crew level get completed, okay, then the result will be stored in a list, guys, okay. And then, okay, I am printing the result, guys, okay. If you see, I am iterating over using enumerate, okay, I am iterating over the for loop, okay, and then printing my result, guys, okay. Just I am executing the result, okay. If any error, guys, okay, we will fix them, okay, don't worry, okay. This is my CrewAI sample code, guys, okay. I just CrewAI sample code, right, okay, copy the relative path, right, okay, and then just, okay, guys, before you need to activate the VNV, guys, okay. Remember the thing, guys, it is very important, right, okay. Python, right, okay, just save the file, guys, okay, before execute the cell, okay. Make sure to save the file, okay, otherwise the thing you are changed, okay, that is not get saved, right, okay. That's why I'm saving the file, okay. Here I am executing cell, guys, okay. If you see the output, guys, okay. Okay, it takes too much of time. Just a minute, guys, okay. Okay, everything's perfect. It is not executing. Just a minute, guys, okay. It takes time. I don't know why. Startup, guys, okay. Start. Sorry, guys, okay. That's it, guys, okay. Answer is perfect, guys, okay. Okay, guys, okay. If you are facing any issue with regarding to the understanding, okay, with related to the understanding, right, okay, I highly suggest you to watch my Python async, okay, and then kickoff for each, okay, that particular 2 video, right, okay. If you watching that video and come here, okay, you will be getting and you will be understanding everything, guys, okay. I swear to you, right, okay. Here if you see, guys, okay, agent started, right, agent started my first, guys, okay, future of A in 2025, right, okay. And then if you see, write a blog post about future, okay, this variable template get replaced, guys, okay, in my, okay, with my user question, right, okay, with my user question, okay, it will be get replaced in task description, right, okay. If you see, okay, task get started, right, okay, write a blog post about benefits of morning exercise, okay. If you see, guys, okay, guys, I'm stick with 200 words, okay. I'm limiting my token limit, right, okay. I'm asking the agent to exactly provide the block in 200 words, okay. That's why the block is too small, guys, okay. In your case, okay, you can able to increase the token limit, right, okay. If you see, guys, okay, just pause the video, go through the prompts, sorry, go through the agent output by yourself, guys, okay. It's a simple, guys, okay. So artificial intelligence biased, okay, just a lot of things are there, okay. Just go through the agent response by yourself, guys, okay. Pause the video, just go through the agent response by yourself, okay. You will be able to get it, right, okay. If you see, guys, okay, task completion, right, okay, my first task, guys, okay, my first task, right, okay, my first crew level, right, it will be executed successfully. If you see, okay, crew completion, right, okay, this agent final answer, guys, okay, task completion, right, okay. You see, guys, task completion, okay, the future of A in new era, right, okay, crew completed, okay, tracing status, agent final answer, log writer, okay, task completion, right, okay. Write a blog post about benefits of exercise, okay. If you see, guys, okay, asynchronously, right, okay, asynchronously, okay. We see about in Okay, if you see guys, task started. Okay, execution started. Okay, agent started, task started. Here if you see guys, okay, concurrently it can able to start it guys. Okay, that's why. Okay, I missed this thing, right? Okay, that's why. Okay, if you see guys, okay, first task. Okay, future of A in 2025. If you see, and then okay, benefits of morning exercise. Okay, it can able to execute concurrently. Okay, you need to understand these things guys. Okay, in my CrewAI output flow. Okay, it will be run sequentially. Okay, once, okay, if the first task get executed successfully, then only second task executed. Here, okay, it will be executed concurrently guys. Okay, here if you see agent 1, okay, task 1 gets started execute. Okay, task 2 also gets started execute guys. Okay, if you see, okay, benefits of morning exercise, right? Okay, that's it guys. Okay, concurrently able to execute and concurrently it can able to give the result guys. Okay, if you see tracing result, agent final answer. Okay, block right here. Okay, this is my future of AI guys. Okay, this is my morning exercise. If you see guys, okay, morning exercise can have a significant impact, right? Okay, that's it guys. Okay, if you see, okay, starting with your day with morning exercise can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being guys. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, block 1, right? Okay, if you see guys, okay, I'm printing the result. Okay, block 1, right? If you see, my block 2 guys. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, I hope you get it right. Okay, I hope you get it right. Okay, if you are facing any issue guys, okay, just go through the video. Okay, asynchronous. Okay, I will be covering everything, right? Okay, I will be covered everything that particular video, right? I highly suggest you to watch that particular video, right? Okay, guys, this is the first example, right? Okay, next which we are going to learn about another example, right? Okay, that's it guys. Okay, second example, I wrap up the session guys. Okay, if you see, okay, that's a real world example guys. Okay, I come up with some real world example. That code is pretty much complex. Okay, but you need to understand things guys. Okay, if you see CrewAI inbuilt Crew, okay, that's the thing, this code guys. Okay, this code, right? Guys, execute the code by yourself, right? Okay, execute the code by yourself. Okay, once you are come watching this video, right? Okay, once completed this video, okay, then execute the code by yourself. Okay, just go through the output guys. Okay, just go through the output flow, how the agent gets started execute concurrently, then you will be completely able to get it guys. Okay, guys, this is the second example, right? Okay, just go through the code. Okay, then I started execute same code guys. Okay, same code, right? Okay, this same library, right? Okay, same LLM initialization, right? Okay, if you see guys, okay, I'm asking the, okay, here I am using Pydantic to get what, okay, what I'm using Pydantic, okay, to get structured output. Okay, to get structured output. Okay, in final agent response, okay, the output should be in structured way. Okay, for that, okay, I am here defining Pydantic class. Okay, here if you see, here this class inheriting the base model, right? Okay, this class job matcher inheriting the base model, that means accessing the features. Okay, all validation features here I am accessing, right? Okay, company string, role string, focus string. Okay, here if you see guys, okay, class job matcher final. Okay, base model detail. Okay, this class. Okay, here I am giving list of job matcher, right? Okay, that means, okay, it can have list of multiple company role focus. Okay, in a dictionary format, right? If you see guys, okay, my first agent, right? Okay, resume analyst, analyze resume, identify skills. Okay, this first agent guys, okay, it will take my resume, okay, and be able to analyze the skill, okay, and gaps. Okay, then my second agent, right? Okay, my second agent, okay, okay, it can able to match with the job guys. Okay, match with the jobs opportunities, right? And can able to give the companies. Okay, and then my fourth agent, it can able to write the cover letter guys. Okay, based on my opportunities, okay, companies, okay, my role. Okay, it can able to write the cover letter guys. Okay, and this is my final agent, fourth agent. Okay, it can able to create the 5 questions guys. Okay, interview questions, right? Okay, that's it guys. Okay, and this is my task guys. Okay, just pause the video, go through by yourself guys. Okay, this is my first task. Okay, here I'm giving 2 variable templates. Okay, first one is resume and next one is target role guys. Okay, here I'm resume analysis, my first agent guys. Okay, detailed resume analysis with skill gaps guys. Okay, here guys. Okay, here I'm giving some token limitation guys. Okay, otherwise, okay, max tokens equal to 200 guys. Okay, unnecessarily I am going to face the rate limiter guys. Okay, that's why. Okay, okay, you need to stick with token guys. Okay, otherwise you're going to face some unnecessary rate limiter guys. That's why I'm putting this limitation, right? Okay, in my interview coach, okay, here also I'm giving some 500 word token limit guys. Okay, sorry, 500. Okay, 500, okay. Because it will create some cover letter. Okay, entire preparation rate. Okay, 500 word guys. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, that's the, I'm giving some limitation to my agent guys. Okay, if you see, okay, this is my resume analyzer guys. Okay, this is my job method guys. Okay, here I'm giving 4 variable template, right? Okay, I'm defining, okay, top 3 job matches with the company role focus guys. Okay, here if you see guys, okay, my pydantic output to getting the agent final response as a structured one. That's why I'm integrating output pydantic is equal to my pydantic class guys. Okay, here if you see guys, okay, this is my first level, first crew level guys. Okay, if you see agents, my first agent, my first task, my first second agent, my second task. Okay, resume analyst, job matcher guys. Okay, here if you see guys, okay, async. Okay, if you see, I'm using async, right? Okay, I'm giving candidate profile guys. Okay, I am giving one parameter or an argument as a candidate profile, right? Okay, here if you see guys, okay, here I am concurrently executing this. Okay, await async dot gather, right? Okay, akickoff, right? Okay, here if you see resume target role. Okay, if you remember, okay, in my first agent, my first task, okay, I am defining 2 variable template. Okay, that's why I am giving 2 variable template in my resume crew. Okay, if you remember, okay, in my job matcher, okay, I am defining 4 variable template. Okay, that's why here I am giving input 4. Okay, resume, target role, location, expected salary. Okay, if you forgot, okay, just rewind the video, check by yourself guys. Okay, here I am getting 2 answers. Okay, one is resume result. Okay, then one is job matches. Okay, company role. Okay, that's kind of thing guys. Okay, okay, if you see guys, I'm getting the result. Okay, and then my phase 2 guys. Okay, if you see, okay, I'm giving a resume result. Okay, this result. Okay, resume result, job matches, and my profile guys. Okay, to write a cover letter guys. Okay, this is my third agent guys. Okay, if you see, okay, phase 2 writing a cover letter for all jobs simultaneously. Okay, here if you see guys, okay, I'm getting the structured output guys. Okay, in my second agent, right? Okay, in my second agent, okay, output for, okay, job final result, right? Okay, here I am taking in that particular agent. Okay, I am taking this particular agent output. Okay, here I am iterating guys. Okay, because, okay, my agent response should be in list of string. Okay, if you remember, okay, in my pydantic class, okay, I am defining list of string only. Okay, that's why I'm iterating guys. Okay, I'm getting company job dot company job dot role job dot focus guys. Okay, here if you see guys, okay, I'm iterating over this. Okay, here it will be guys, okay, list only. Okay, again I'm for looping guys. Okay, if you are good in for loop and this pydantic, okay, then you will be getting guys. Okay, okay, if you see guys, okay, for job in match jobs, okay, it will be also in the list. Okay, that's why I'm iterating over again the job match jobs. Okay, here if you see, okay, cover letter is equal to resume, company role, focus, and resume analysis guys. Okay, if you see guys, okay, this is my third task guys. Okay, here if you see, I'm defining 4 variable template. Okay, agent cover letter. Okay, this is my third agent guys. Okay, here my fourth agent guys, fourth task guys. Okay, here I'm defining 3 variable template. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, here also I'm giving word drop. Okay, then you can clearly able to see the prompt. Okay, just a minute guys. Okay, great. Okay, here if you see guys, okay, in this is my fourth agent, and sorry guys, this is my extremely sorry. Okay, this is my third agent, third task. Okay, fourth agent, fourth task, right? Okay, if you see cover letter, right, entry preparation, right? Okay, and then cover letter. Okay, I'm directly giving yes. Okay, a kickoff for each. Okay, here if you see, okay, in my previous kickoff, right? Okay, I'm using here in my previous a kickoff, right? Here if you see, okay, this will be list of question. Okay, if you see, it will be list of questions, right? Okay, that's why I am giving here. Okay, if you see, okay, a kickoff for each, right? Okay, cover letter inputs, right? Okay, here if you see guys, I am returning cover letters interview preparation, right? Okay, that's it guys. Okay, that's it. Okay, first time, okay guys, okay, first time it will be confusing, right? Okay, it will be confusing, right? Okay, here finally I am taking cover letter and preparation guys, I am printing, right? Okay, here guys, okay, again I am suggesting guys, okay, first time it will be complex for you, right? Okay, if you go through the code by yourself, right? Okay, just clone the repository. Okay, just go through the code by yourself by executing the code by your side, right? Okay, you will be getting the code guys. Okay, I swear to you, right? Okay, I swear to you. Okay, if you are watching my Python async and then kickoff for each, right? Okay, then this video is completely easy guys. It's easy for you, right? Okay, I swear to you, right? Okay, just a simple code guys. Okay, just simple code, right? Okay, just okay, I feel okay you are feel complex in this things only. Okay guys, I am nothing. Okay, here I am taking the job matches. Okay, my second agent response. Okay, I am iterating. If you see here, okay, here I am giving list of job matcher. Okay, that's why okay I am first extracting the output in pydantic. Okay, if you see for job in job matches dot pydantic dot detail. Okay, again okay I am assigning, right, okay, company, role and focus, right. Okay, again I am iterating as, okay, it will be list. Okay, okay, again I am iterating for giving a cover letter inputs, right. Okay, I am combining both resume and then resume analysis, this result. Okay, here I am combining both resume and then resume analysis with this second agent output case. Okay, that's why this for loop, right. Okay, I am integrating to the my third agent to write cover letter. Okay, I hope you get it right. Okay, I hope you get it right. Okay, if you are watching regularly my YouTube channel, okay, then this code is nothing for you. Okay, here I am copying. Okay, the file name is CrewAI in bold, right. Okay, just copy relative path, guys. Okay, then write Python, right. Okay, just clear your terminal. Okay, if there is any previous output, okay, just clear the terminal. Okay, before just save the file, guys. Okay, before executing in the terminal, right. Okay, make sure to save the changes, guys, in your file. Okay, and then okay write Python, right. Okay, and paste the file name, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, okay, do this. Okay, I'm started execute, guys. Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, it perfectly started, guys. Okay, if you see, guys, okay, it will be analyzing. Okay guys, this is my resume, guys. Okay, I'm giving directly my resume, right. Okay, if you see, this is my resume, guys. Okay, it takes my resume. Okay, if you see, guys, okay, that's why I'm asking. Okay, it will be giving list of dictionary, guys. Okay, if you see details, company, Microsoft, role, agentic engineer, right. Okay, and then IBM Jenny engineer, right. Okay, company, role, focus, guys. Okay, if you see, okay, and then company, Google, role, okay, and then focus, guys. Okay, it will be list of dictionary only, right. Okay, list of dictionary, right. Okay, and if you see, guys, okay, how this format will come, right. Okay, if you ask this particular question to me, right. Okay, here in bold, right. Okay, here I am giving few short prompt, guys. Okay, if you are know about few short prompt, right. Okay, okay, in my task, right. Okay, in my task description. Okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, role, goal. Okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, if you see, guys, write a percentage cover letter for company, role, goal. Here this is not, guys. Okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, okay, I'm not giving anything. Okay, sorry, guys. Okay, here I'm not mentioning anything, right. Okay, if you want, okay, you can also able to mention in this format, guys. Okay, list of thing, like, okay, previously executed. Okay, I'm previously, before starting the video, I'm executed by myself, guys. Okay, here I am giving this format. Okay, future prompt. Okay, now here I'm not giving here. Okay, so that's not a problem, guys. Okay, okay, just go through the output, guys. Okay, if you see, okay, my output should be, okay, just go through the output initial stage, guys. Okay, if you see, guys, okay, interview coach, right. Okay, okay, generate top 5 interview questions, right. Okay, interview coach, right. Okay, interview coach, right. Okay, if you see agent final answer, cover letter writer. Okay, IBM, right. Okay, okay, this is cover letter, guys. Okay, okay, for agent final answer. Okay, if you see dear hiring manager, right. Okay, this is cover letter, guys. Okay, dear hiring manager, right. Okay, if you see, guys, okay, interview coach, right. Okay, this is my questions, right. Okay, this particular company, right. Okay, technical question, right. Okay, answer. Okay, behavior question, right. Okay, answer approach, right. Technical approach, right. Okay, answer approach, right. Behavior question, right. Okay, answer approach. Okay, and this is my another interview question, right. Okay, here if you remember, guys, okay, I am asking 3 companies, right. Okay, exactly 3 companies. Okay, that's why it giving 3 cover letter, iterating 3 cover letter and 3 response, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. If you see resume analysis and job matches form. Okay, 3 cover letters, guys. Okay, I'm asking the agent to give exactly 3 companies. Okay, in your case, you can ask multiple companies. Okay, just go through the output by yourself, guys. Okay, code everything. Okay, you will be getting, guys. Okay, you will be getting everything, right. Okay, just clone the repository, okay, run the code by yourself, okay, just refer the documentation page, okay. If you have any doubt, okay, just comment it out guys, okay. I can ready to help, okay. Thank you guys, thank you for watching the video.